Hi there, this is Mustafizur Rahman and welcome to English with Sojib. Today we are going to make a conversation on dispute and with my friends, she is.
Hi, my name is Tuli.
Let's
Let's start.
Okay. Whose mobile rang just now?
This was mine. Why?
You are supposed to keep it switch off.
Who says?
It's the rule here.
But this is a common room. Someone told me that I can use my phone here.
Who told you?
I don't remember. Who cares? There is no boss here.
Actually, it is written on the door that we must switch it off and we should follow the rules.
Well, okay, I'm so sorry. I'm meeting my phone.
Okay.
Are these books on the table?
No, that are not mine.
Whose books are these?
I don't know.
Whose job is tidy up things here?
Actually, there is a cleaner, but we are all responsible to keep it clean.
Oh, okay.
Okay.